Start preparing your pet for the move at least 2 weeks before moving day so the transition is gradual and predictable. Begin by recreating familiar elements from your current home in a portable way, bringing the pet's usual bedding, toys, and feeding bowls so they have consistent tactile and scent cues. Practice crate or carrier training in short daily sessions if your pet is not already comfortable, offering treats and calm praise to form a positive association. This reduces stress on travel day. Keep meal and exercise times exactly the same as before, because routine is the strongest anchor for a nervous animal and helps regulate digestion and sleep. Before you move permanently, take short visits to the new neighborhood while on leash, walking the perimeter, letting your pet sniff and orient to outside scents without being overwhelmed. Do not allow off-leash exploration until they are fully relaxed and recall is solid. When you first enter the new house, set up a single safe room with the familiar items and spend time there with low-key interaction, gradually opening more spaces over several days as the pet shows calm behavior. Maintain contact with your primary veterinarian, and if behavior changes persist, reach out early for professional advice so minor issues do not become chronic. 3 common mistakes are rushing full access to the entire new house, which can cause hiding, disorientation, and accidents. So start with one safe room and expand gradually. Another is changing feeding or walking schedules during the move, which disrupts routine and increases anxiety, so plan logistics around keeping times consistent even on moving day. A third is ignoring subtle signs of stress like changes in eating, grooming, or sleep. Monitor closely and provide extra reassurance, and consult your veterinarian for guidance if symptoms continue. On BigHomeProjects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors to handle home setup tasks that make acclimation easier, such as fencing, gate installation, and secure pet doors. We also support contractors looking for work and host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, recommendations, and local experiences about moving with pets.